Welcome to the world of fun-loving people that is none other than Gujarat state. Gujarat is famous for its diversities and festivals. Welcome to English Destination. Today we are going to learn Uttarayan related vocabulary in an interesting way. I am sure you will like it and enjoy it a lot. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Here in the first two lines, you can see masks. People like to wear masks on Makar Sankranti. After that, you can see here, variety of hats are available in different colors. People also wear hats to protect themselves from sunlight. Here you can see musical instruments. Kids like to play with musical instruments a lot. Here you can see goggles are also here. People like to wear variety of goggles. Look at those beautiful gas balloons. They are in different shapes and colors. Children like to play with these balloons. These are known as gas balloons. You can see here different shapes and different colors. They look so beautiful. Children tie these balloons with their kite reels and they try to fly them. This way they enjoy on Makar Sankranti. The sky looks so beautiful when all these balloons fly in the sky. These balloons are made from plastic material. You can see here vendors sell these balloons. These are called kite reels or kite spools, with which people tie kite. Let's learn some vocabulary with sentences.
This is kite tail. This is kite nose.
This is called tape. People use this tape to protect their fingers from cut. Kids enjoy with this musical instrument like this. This is called kite reel or kite spool. This is called string. Reel the string out. Reel the string in. People use this kind of cap also. See, this is kite market where kites are sold. You can see here different kinds of kites are available with different colors and shapes. People make kites and sell. You can see here. It's a wholesale market. Children like to play with balloons this way. They enjoy a lot with these balloons.
Yay!
Children tie their balloons with the string. You can see here. This is kite spool and this is string. With this string, the balloon is attached.
I like to wear mask. Please give me my kite spool.
Show me kite tail. Show me kite bridle. She is trying to fly the kite. She is holding the kite reel. His kite is flying high in the sky. Can you see? Look at the shapes of kites. You can see kite market at night. Strings are getting ready for Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is incomplete without the sweets. People prepare and share sweets. It is the festival of delicacies and togetherness.
the mouth-watering cuisines made from sesame seeds and jaggery add sparks to the festivity of the season. People also enjoy undhiyu. It's a Gujarati mixed vegetable dish that's a regional specialty of Surat, Gujarat, India. These laddus are made from sesame seeds, jaggery, and clarified butter. This is called chikki. It's a traditional Indian brittle sweet. It is made from nuts, jaggery, and clarified butter. These laddus are made from puffed rice, clarified butter, and jaggery. These laddus are made from rajagra, clarified butter, and jaggery. Rajagra is also known as amarantha or king seed. All these sweets are very healthy.
Guys, we are here at International Kite Festival. Every year it is celebrated between 11th to 14th January. Kite lovers come to participate and to cheer up participants from different parts of the world. Every year it is organized by Gujarat Tourism Corporation. You can see here. Every year people come here from different parts of states and the world. You can see the crowd. Different kinds of kites are flying and the sky looks very beautiful. Hope you are enjoying Makar Sankranti through this video. Kite flying festival is celebrated across the country with different names and customs like Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Magh Bihu in Assam, Uttarayan in Gujarat, Maghi in Punjab and Haryana, and Khichdi in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Uttarayan is particularly celebrated in Western India including Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. It is celebrated on 14th January, which marks the transition of the sun, the end of winter and the beginning of longer days. It is also known as Makar Sankranti. All age groups like Makar Sankranti a lot. Sky on Uttarayan is filled with colorful kites and gas balloons. On this day, people fly kites from the rooftops, terraces or open areas. You can see here people are flying kites in open area. Variety of kites are available in the market with different prices such as delta kites, diamond kites, parafoils, rocus, single line kites, slate kites, small kites, box kite, cellular kites, stunt kites, traction kites, and so on. Kites are made from a solid frame and a covering lightweight synthetic materials, paper, and plastic. People who fly kites are called kite flyers. Kite fighting is a game where players try to cut the string of their opponent's kite with their own string. During this, the person who wins the kite flying shouts "Kai po che," means I have cut. It's commonly used while flying kites. While flying a kite, all of a sudden the kite goes high on the top. You can see that blue one. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is also taking a rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens, the flyer tries to roll the thread and runs till a new breeze fills its wings. A kite really looks bright on a clear sky, but when it gets struck on a treetop, it gets torn and gives a poor look. Along with colorful kites, gas-filled balloons with different shapes add extraordinary beauty to sky. Small kids like to fly colorful gas balloons. Fun-loving people enjoy this day by playing music like this and performing dance. In the evening, they burst firecrackers and play garba with family and friends. Kite flying symbolizes the spirit of freedom, unity, progress, and aiming high. It also symbolizes to be successful in life, one must work hard with determination and be courageous. One must face the challenges in life by being brave, courageous, and determined. This way, people celebrate this festival with great joy and enthusiasm. Happy Uttarayan to all! Guys, we are here at International Kite Festival. Every year it is celebrated between 11th to 14th January. Kite lovers come to participate and to cheer up participants from different parts of the world. Every year it is organized by Gujarat Tourism Corporation. enjoying.
I'm sure you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Happy Uttarayan. Happy Makar Sankranti.